7:30 and I am up, ready to get this bed out of here. So this is my bedroom. Today I am going to be removing the mattress, the plywood that you see there, and then the bed frame, which is actually screwed into the trailer. Yeah, all three of those things are going to be taken out. So I moved the bed over here. Now, I noticed that it actually has a fold, so I'm gonna have to take all these out if I want this to come out in order for me to redo the carpet. So I made sure I had the right drill bit that fit into the screws that were already screwed into the plywood, because they were made with two different screws. There was a Phillips screw head, and then there's also this one, which is like a Robertson, which I'd never seen before, so that was pretty interesting. But yeah, just making sure you have the right drill bit. Okay, so right here, I am actually trying to remove the plywood, and I'm struggling because I don't know why it's not coming up. I unscrewed all the screws that I could see, and it still wasn't budging. So enjoy my struggle here. Okay, I didn't realize I had these, so now I have to take this out because I didn't realize that that's what the purpose of those was. One I can't get to. I'm gonna take those out. Ooh, that's nasty. Alright, so at this point of the process, I was trying to remove the bed frame, and I noticed that there was some carpet at the bottom that was covering some wiring, so I was a little concerned about that, but I managed to get through it. After quite a struggle, I had some help from my dad, and we were able to pull this bed frame out from the wall which it was attached to by those screws. And yeah, it was definitely a really difficult process, only because I didn't know how to get the bed frame off the wall besides basically just pulling it off. And hey, I mean, it worked, but it did leave a little bit of damage on the wall, but I'll fix that. So once the bed frame was detached from the wall, we were able to remove the bed frame as well as the plywood that made up the bed. And it was really heavy, not even gonna lie. I'm glad my dad was there to help because, yeah, it was a bit awkward as well just to get it out of the trailer. But I'm glad that we got it done. And yeah, now I'm just gonna move on to the next step of this trailer remodel, which is going to be the carpet removal. And that's gonna be the next episode. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like what you see, comment what you learned, share with other beautiful humans, and subscribe for more of me. Thanks for watching.